Hello dear students, Exergic's GATE 2021 rank predictor is live now. But before you start predicting your rank, listen to me carefully for next few minutes. As this year, it was not very much clear that which question is of 1 mark, which question is of 2 marks. But I can assure you that we have done our research as well as we have talked to students, and 99% whatever we are telling regarding a question, whether it is of 1 mark or 2 marks, it is correct. Point number 1. Point number 2, the range that we are giving for a question, and in very rare cases, the option that we are telling for MCQ question, if you feel it is not correct, we are open to consider it, because there may be some issue at the software end. We will review that, and if needed in that situation, we will modify it. So just in case, if you feel that for this question, I think there is slight error in the range or any such error if you face, you can comment in the video below, and I will look into that. We will look into that. And if it requires, we will do the necessary modification at the software end. Point number 2. Point number 3, obviously when the GATE official key will be announced, every year it happens, there will be some questions where marks to all will be ultimately given. There will be some questions where there will be change in the range of the GATE. Even in some controversial question, the option can also change. So to give you an exact idea of your marks and rank, we will modify that once the GATE official key is released. Last point, this formula that we have used to calculate your normalized marks and your rank, it is the exact GATE formula with slight modification. We have to modify because in the formula, if you look at it, there are certain changes, there are certain things which depends upon the sample space, that how much students are, trying that or attempting that exam. Obviously, that number is higher for GATE. For rank predictor, that number will be lower. So there is slight modification in the formula. Now, how do we get better at this? One way is that share is as much as possible. More will be the number of students who will try it, better will be its accuracy. Point number 1. Point number 2, we have done some modification at our end, which we will keep improving as more and more students will keep appearing. All right. So at our end also, as more and more students appear, we will keep modifying the formula accordingly. So you need to do 2 things right now other than predicting your rank. Share it as much as possible, and second, keep checking it regularly, because every hour or maybe every next day, your rank and normalized marks will keep modifying. But yes, actual marks, they are going to remain same for your set. So you can check the Exergic rank predictor. You will find the link of rank predictor in the first comment. All right, all the best.